Hello everyone, hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today let's make another Morph presentation slide that will help you to impress your audience. And if you want template of these slides, you can find the link in description box. And let us know your thoughts in the comment box. And if you want more PowerPoint hacks and slides, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Let's start. Here I have these images which I am going to use in my presentation. So for first slide, I am going to copy this first image and paste it here. Now stretch the image on full page. Then insert a text box and write your heading. Change its font color, font style and font size and make it very loose. Then I will duplicate the text and add some text here. Let me change its font style and make it more bigger. Now adjust the text box as you find it suitable. Then duplicate the background image. Go to picture format. Then artistic effects and blur the image. Now go to format shapes and make the radius 100%. Now crop this image and fit it to the text box. Make the changes according to the corners of your text box. Then crop it to round corner rectangle and send it to back. Then go to insert tab and insert this star icon and now fill it with white color. Then adjust it. Give some shadow effect to it and in the text. Now duplicate the slide. Shift all the content upward outside the slide. Now press Ctrl plus Shift key to increase the size of this image. And now we will crop the unnecessary area. So crop the image so that it will be aligned on the slide. Now we need to add some pictures on this. So I will copy this image from here and paste this image here. Stretch this image to whole slide. And crop it according to your choices. Make any size you find suitable for your slides. After adjusting the image, crop it to round corner rectangle. Then duplicate it 3 times and change the images. For that, right click and go to change picture, and from that you can choose the images from your picture gallery. Now again go to crop to fill the image proper. Now use the same process and change the image in left 2 boxes. Now select all these 4 shapes and give some shadow effect to it. Now we need to make these images more darker, so go to corrections and choose this contrast level and apply to all shapes. But first go to view tab and enable the guides. This will help you to align your images properly on each and every slide. Adjust these dotted lines according to the corner of the images. Now change the correction level of all images. Do the same to upper slide shapes. Now crop this image and crop it to the full page. And then crop it to rectangular shape and make it no shadow. Now shift these three images to this alignment. Then duplicate the slide. Now we don't need this image, so delete this and make the background image more darker so that it will give realistic videographic effect. Now crop this image shape and repeat this same procedure in left two shapes. Now select all slides, go to Transition tab and apply Morph transition. Let's have a look what we have made till now. And it looks quite impressive. Let's add some content now. For that, insert a text box and write your text. Then change the text color, text style and size. Disable this view guide now, we don't need it anymore. Then go to Insert tab, then Icons and search for goal icon. I'm going to choose this one. Change its graphic fill and align it with your heading. Then give some shadow effect. After this, group both of these and then insert the detailed content. In the same way, insert the content on all slides. Let's put some animations now. Select the icon first and choose Zoom Animation. And set after previous, which means it will start automatically with the slide. And then put the same animation in next text and set with previous. To apply the same animation, we use Animation Painter. I will increase the duration time to 1 minute. Now let's play the animation from here and see our work. Now in this image, select the image and put the fly in animation. Then go to effect options and make the bounce end of 2 seconds. Now use animation painter, set it after previous and delay it with 25 seconds. Then select fly in animation for the content. Change its direction from left and set it after previous. Now copy the animation in next text box and set it with previous. And here is our final slide. I will make one change here. I will increase the duration of the text boxes to 1 minute. Now apply this same text animation in all slides. And here we go. You have made an amazing presentation slide for your project. Thank you guys for watching it till the end.